Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to switch TCL Linkhub between 4G and 5G network modes. So, if you want to switch your Linkhub, what you guys want to do is here we got our site. Now, what are we gonna do is here, as you guys can see, we got the 4G network. Here we have the status. We also have 4G network. And what are we going to do is we're going to go to settings, go to quick setup. So this is the first thing that we will see here. And here we have network mode. Now we can choose 4G only or auto. It will be between 5G and 4G. It will switch automatically. And if your card is 5G, then it will go for 5G. It will prioritize the better connection and better, let's say, internet. But if you only have a 4G card, it will stay on 4G even if you put it on auto. Just like me, I do have auto and I'm on 4G because my card does not support the 5G. So here, if I put 4G only, it wouldn't change anything for me. And that's how you guys can basically switch in the web UI between 4G and 5G. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.